Rest of you hurry up, last 1 minute. Dhruti, that's correct. Achira, no, that's wrong. Achira, think about it. Have you typed it out mistakenly? Is there a mistake in typing, Achira? Or is that the answer? Because if the numerator is more than the denominator, it will be 1 point or 2 point something, right? It will not be a decimal zero. Achira, let's solve this.
So,
Kami, what do we do?
x is equals to 0.666.
Yeah.
So then 10x is equals to 6.6 recurring
Yeah.
minus x is equals to 0.6 recurring.
Yeah.
So 9x is equals to 6. Yeah, 6.
Yeah.
So it's 2/3.
So how did you write 3 by 2?
Sir, I wrote the answer wrong.
That's what I was asking you, whether is it a typo? Okay, everyone got this, I hope. Okay. Do another one. Again, express 18.48 bar as a rational number. Quickly do this. 18.48 bar. Varya, no. Yeah, Varya, that's correct. Achira, you can simplify further. Siddharth, the denominator is wrong.
Sir, sir,
That's correct.
at
Yeah, it's
first I
correct.
did it wrong.
It's correct, but
Typed it wrong.
you can simplify further. You will lose half a mark. Dhruti, that's correct. Achira, you lose half a mark. Simplify further. Jyoti, that's correct. Rest of you, hurry up. Naisha, that's correct. Sanika, that's correct. Arpita, let's solve this quickly.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what do we do?
So first we will do it like x equals to 18.48.
Yeah, then?
Then 100x equals to 1848.48.
Yeah,
So then we'll get x equals to 18.48.
yeah. Bar, who's going to say bar?
Sorry, sir, 18.48 bar.
Yeah,
So and then we will subtract 2 and like subtract 1848.48 bar
yeah,
from 18.48 bar.
yeah.
So sir, then it will be 99x equals to 1830.00.
Upon 99, which is, remember to reduce this. So this will become 610 by 33. So therefore 18.48 bar will be 610 by 33. If you don't reduce this, you will lose half a mark. Remember this. Please remember this. Try to see if there is any common factor and reduce further. Right? If anyone has any doubts, let me know. State whether rational or irrational. Okay. First one, 3 root 18. Is it rational or irrational? Quickly. You know how to work on these kind of problems. One minute for this. Aisha, that's correct. Jyoti, that's correct. Achira correct. Varya correct. Sanika correct. Sharon, let's solve this. How would we do this?
So we will first simplify 18.
Yes. So I'll do 3 into root of, how do I write 18?
So first we will find factors for 18.
Yeah, what are the factors of 18? 2 into 9. I can write this as 2 into 9 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Or I could have written 3 into 2
2
into 3 into 3.
Yes, sir.
Now this we group, so it comes out. So I'll write 3 into 3 root 2, which is 9 root 2, right? because the root of 9 is 3. So I get 3 outside. So this is irrational. Why? Because we know a rational number into an irrational number will give you an irrational number, right?
Irrational, yes.
So it's an irrational number. Okay. Do another one, all of you all. Root of 1.44. Rational or irrational? And instead of just writing rational, irrational, tell me the value also. Whatever value you're getting, like in the previous question, I got 9 root 2. Send me that also. So you need to, like in the previous question, you have to give an answer 9 root 2 irrational. Same way, give me the value or rational number or irrational. Root of 1.44. So that's correct. Rest of you hurry up. Yatharth, what's the value that you're getting? Give me that also along with your answer. The root of 1.44, what are you getting? Dhruti, that's correct. Yatharth, that's correct. Sanika, that's correct. Rest of you hurry up. Varya, that's correct. Ananya, that's correct. So I guess all of you, most of you have got this. Achira, Arpita. Quickly solve it. Achira, tell me, what do we do here? Achira. Achira, are you there? Where is she gone? What is she doing? Arpita?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what do we do?
So the answer will be 1.2, which is a rational number.
Yeah, how do we do that?
So first we'll take the, remove the decimal.
I write this 144 by 100, right? I remove the decimal,
Yes, sir.
which is root of 144 by root of 100, which is 12 by 10, which is 1.2 or 6 by 5. So it's a rational number. Correct? Okay, give me a minute. Okay. Find A and B if root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to A plus B root 3. Do this question quickly. Tell me A and B. If anyone's not able to solve it, raise your hand. Solve this quickly, everyone. I want the values of A and B. Dhruti, check the value of B. Arpita, that is correct. No, Dhruti, it's completely wrong now. Earlier it was still somewhat correct, only the sign was different. Check your sign. It's completely wrong now. Yathart, A is correct. Find B. Dhruti, that's correct now. Don't make these stupid mistakes. Plus minus matters. Dhruti, take care of that, okay? Achara, there must be an internet issue from your end. Yathart, that is correct. Last 1 minute, everyone. Achara, are you able to see the question now?
No, sir.
I have typed it out in chat to you, just see whether you can understand it. There must be a lag on internet on your end or something. Rest of you, hurry up. Why are you taking so much of time?
Sir, I've sent you the answer.
Yeah, Vari, I told you that's correct. Long back, I told you it's correct. You were the first one to send it. Siddharth, Arpita, Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Answers. Quickly send me your answers.
Sir, I
Archana.
sent you and you told that it's correct.
Yeah, you sent it to me. Sorry, I didn't see that. Sharan, hurry up. Ananya, let's solve this. So what do we do?
Sir,
do we-
root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1
Yeah,
into root 3 minus 1
yeah,
in root 3 minus 1, then root 3 minus 1 the whole square
yeah,
by root 3 square minus root 1, root 3 square minus 1 square
yeah. Which is? Expand the numerator now.
minus
The denominator is fine. First the numerator. Let's do the numerator. What's a minus b the whole thing square? What's root 3? 3,
3 square in minus 2 root 3 into 1
into 1 plus 1. How into 1?
so 2ab, right?
Yeah, so we got 2ab here.
Oh,
Why?
I was going to,
Y into 1 plus b squared, right? B is 1.
sir, I told 2ab as 2 into root 3 into 1
Okay,
plus
okay. Fine. Upon,
3 minus 1,
okay, which is
2.
numerator.
3,
What is the
3
numerator?
minus root 3 plus 1
Which
by
is?
2.
So what is simplify the numerator also together? Ananya, 3 plus 1, 4,
By 2.
which is?
Minus, sorry, 2 minus 2 by 2 root 3.
How? Ananya, what's?
Sir,
Why
minus
is,
2 root,
why is fraction such a difficult problem with everyone? Won't I do this? Yeah? So what is 4 by 2? 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So I'll be left with minus root 3 only, right? Why 2 root 3? So now we have 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Comparing the values, a will become 2, b will become minus 1. Remember to see this minus sign. Everyone understood? Siddharth, Sharan, understood? Achara,
yes, sir.
Dhruti, take care of this minus sign over here. Don't ignore that. If this was minus b root 3, then yes, the answer would be 1. Okay. Prove that root 3 minus root 2 is irrational. Prove that root 3 minus 2, root 2 is irrational.
Sir, I'm still not able to see your screen.
Achira, re-log in once.
Okay, sir.
Try to re-log in. If anyone's not able to do this, let me know, please. Remember, we had done a similar questions earlier, how we prove numbers to be rational or irrational. Three minutes to solve this question, everyone. Achira, is the screen visible now?
No, sir, it's still loading.
Okay, let me reshare it with you, with everyone, in fact. Now, Achira, is it visible now? You're not audible.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible now. Is it visible?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, quickly solve this. If anyone's not able to solve it, raise your hand so that I can help you out. Last 1 minute, everyone. Quickly solve this, please. It's a very simple question. If you have solved it, just write solved. Dhruti, show me your working. Raise your book to the screen, to the camera there. Go up slightly. How did you get a -2, Dhruti? On the left hand side, just
Okay.
check that. So your answer will be wrong, right?
Yes.
Same plus minus mistake, keep doing that. Rest everything is fine, just that mistake corrected further.
Okay, sir.
Sanika, tell me, what do we do over here? How do we solve this?
So first we'll write -3 √3 minus √2.
Yeah.
Sir, I've just written upon 1.
But upon 1, how will it help? That means it's a rational number, right? No, this is not the way you do it. Remember, we said let this equal to P by Q, where P by Q is a rational number. Do you remember we did this?
Yes, sir.
Then what do? Now we square both the sides. So we'll take √3 minus √2, the whole thing square is equal to P by Q, the whole thing square. Expand this, Sanika. Left hand side expand. What will we get?
√3 square plus
What is √3
minus
square? What is √3
3.
square? 3 minus of 2 into √3 into √2 will be √6.
Yes,
And what is √2 square?
2.
2 is equal to P squared by Q squared, right?
Yes.
So we get 5 minus 2 √6 is equal to P squared by Q squared. Or minus 2 by √6 is equal to P squared by Q squared minus of 5, right?
Yes, sir.
That is √6 is equal to minus of P squared by Q squared minus 5, the whole thing divided by 2,
Yes, sir.
right? Now we know left hand side, √6, this is an irrational number,
Yes.
whereas the right hand side is a rational number, right?
Yes.
So not possible. Therefore, our original assumption that this is a rational number is wrong. So since it's not a rational number, it can only be a irrational number. Write that down. So our original assumption that √3 minus √3 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore, it is a irrational number. You forgot this, Sanika?
Yes, sir. I didn't do the recap. I'll do it today.
Okay. Do the recap, revise, because your exams are coming up. You need to remember all this. Quickly, if you want, just copy this down. Till then, I'll give you another question. Any doubts, anyone in this question? Only Dhruti gave me a solved answer. I got solved from none of you. Is there any doubt in this kind of questions? Please open up and be honest. If anyone has any doubts, just unmute yourself and ask me. Naisha, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, do this one. Find 3 irrational numbers between 2 and 2.5. Think about this. We have done this earlier. I want 3 irrational numbers between 2 rational numbers, 2 and 2.5. Think about this. We did this. We did a rule regarding this. Or instead of 3, just give me 1. At least give me 1. Let's do just 1 for now. I just want to see whether you're able to remember how to do that. Give me 1. Naisha, that's correct. But there was another method also. Remember what we had done earlier? Think about it, Naisha. All of you all look here. If you remember, if there are 2 positive rational numbers A and B, then such that AB is not a perfect square, right? Yatharth, that's correct. Should not be a perfect square, right? Then root of AB will be an irrational number between the 2 numbers. So if we want an irrational number between these 2, we will do root of AB, which AB is not a perfect square. So in this case, what will we do? Will be root 2 into 2.5, which is root of 5. Now, is root 5 a perfect, is AB 5 a perfect square? No. So our answer would be root 5. This is the correct way to do it. Just non-terminating, non-recurring will not help, right? Naisha, is this clear? Yatharth, you have to go through the
Yes,
sequence
sir. I
of steps.
forgot this method.
Yeah, you have to go through the sequence of steps. I know your answers are correct because you've given non-terminating, non-recurring, but you have to go through like this. Everyone clear on this? Okay. Just one sec. It's a very simple question. Quickly do it. Express 1/9 as a decimal. Express 1/9 as a decimal. Warrior, correct? Siddharth, correct. Ananya, correct. I think this is very simple. Sanika, no, that's wrong. You forgot something. Shruti, that's correct. Sanika, what do we do? 1 divided by 9, so that's 0. Right? We get a point, we get a 1 here, then we get a 9 here. So that is 0.1, then again 0, 0, again 1, 9, 1, and so forth. So what is our answer? 1/9 will be 0.1 recurring.
For
Right?
1 bar.
1 bar, or
Yes, sir.
you can write it as 0.11 dot 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 dot. Don't forget this. Don't stop
Okay,
at the
sir.
first number. You'll lose marks. Okay. One last question for today. Quickly do this one. Rationalize the denominator. 4 by 2 plus √3 plus √7. Let me see how many of you will be able to solve this. Four by 2 plus √3 plus √7. Siddharth, no, I don't think that is correct. Everyone pay attention over here. Now we have three terms. We haven't done any rule of a square minus b square minus c square or something, right? So what we're going to do is, in this case, we're going to group these two terms together. Now we have a plus b. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply this with 2 plus root 3 minus root 7 upon 2 plus root 3 minus root 7. Clear? So this is again a minus b, the same format we're doing with the opposite sign. So what will we get over here? We'll get 4 into 2 plus root 3 minus root 7 into brackets upon 2 plus root 3 the whole thing squared minus of root 7 the whole thing squared. Right? So when we expand this, what will we get? 8 plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 7. Don't forget this big bracket here. This is a very common mistake. We forget to do this. We just do a into b and we forget that we have to multiply 4 with minus root 7 also. Very common mistake. Upon a plus b the whole thing squared will be 4 plus 3b squared plus 2ab. So 2 into 2 is 4 into b is root 3 minus 7 root 7 the whole thing squared is 7, right? Which is 8 plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 7 upon 7 minus 7 0 4 root 3, right? Now again we have to rationalize the denominator, which is into root 3 upon root 3. Yeah. So what will we get over here? 8 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 will be giving us 3 into 4, 12 minus 4 root 21 upon 4 into 3 is 12. But we can do something else also here. 3 root 3. Is this clear so far, everyone? 3, 7, 4, 3. Okay, so I can take out 4 outside, so I can get 4 by 12 upon 2 root 3 plus 3 minus root 21. Everyone clear so far? Is everyone with me so far? Which is nothing but 1 by 3 brackets 2 root 3 plus 3 minus root 21. So that will be your final answer. If you have opened the brackets and you've done 2 root 3 by 3 plus 1 minus root 21 by 3, that is also fine. But overall, your answer should look similar. Achira, your answer would be fine. Siddharth, did you see where you've gone wrong?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the starting only I went wrong.
Yeah, this is what that is why I always tell you, whenever we have binomials or whenever we have any trinomials or anything, always put them in brackets. So this is a very common spot where people go wrong. Right? Most students, if they don't pay attention to this, that is why I've always been telling you, whenever we are multiplying, dividing, or doing anything with binomials or trinomials, put them in brackets. Everyone clear? Any doubts, anyone in this question? This is one of the common questions which, if they want to give you a difficult paper, they give. So remember, make it a binomial by grouping the two terms together. Okay?
Sir,
Yes, Anika?
sir, can under root 3 and under root 7 grouped instead of 2 plus under root 3?
Could you repeat yourself?
So I said that can under root 3 and under root 7 be grouped?
How will you group them? Yeah, that's why we got root 21, right? Root A into root B is root AB.
Okay, sir.
We did root 21 here. That was by root 7 into root 3, which is root of 7 into 3, which is root 21. Yeah, you cannot leave it as root 7 into root 3. This will be wrong. Okay,
Okay, sir.
simplify as much as possible. Now, and supposing in one of the terms, if it was root 8, then you would do this again 2 into 4, root of 2 into 4, which would be 2 root 2. So the answer would come as 2 root 2, not root 8. Okay, remember all this, please. Okay, so any doubts so far? Please take a quick revision of this chapter. We have a few more practice sums to go. Tomorrow also we'll be doing a few practice sums, okay? So that's it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow then. Bye, everyone.